comma m such that it satisfies the equation m cube plus 6m square plus 5m equivalent to 27n cube plus 9n square plus 9n plus 1. M cube plus 6m square plus 5m equivalent to 27n cube plus 9n square plus 9n plus 1. Now see here, this is nothing but m into m square plus 6m plus 5 equivalent to 27n cube plus 9n square plus 9n plus 1. This is m into m plus 1 into m plus 5 equivalent to 27n cube plus 9n square plus 9n plus 1. Can I say that this is nothing but this is divisible by 3? Why divisible by 3? Suppose if I take a number m when it is divided by 3, either 3k or 3k plus 1 or 3k plus 2. 3k into anything divisible by 3. 3k plus 1, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2, 3k plus 6 divisible by 3. 3k plus 2, 3k plus 2, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 3. It is divisible by 3. That means this is nothing but divisible by 3. See, when I say m plus 1, m plus 5, it is nothing but product of 3 consecutive only. Because m plus 1, m plus 2. What is the next value? M plus 3, m plus 4, m plus 5. M plus 5 is nothing but plus 3 of m plus 2. Product of 3 consecutive numbers is always divisible by 3. This is 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 divisible by 3. Is 1 divisible by 3? No. No value. When I write, you do like this, m plus 1, m plus 8, it is also divisible by 3. Because m plus 8, 3 minus is m plus 5, m plus 5, 3 minus. Product of 3 consecutive numbers is always divisible by 3. Product of any 3 consecutive numbers is always divisible by 3.
But they are not consecutive.
No, m plus 1. Instead of m plus 2, I am writing it as m plus 2 plus 3. m plus 1, m plus 2 plus 3 into. 3 into is anyway divisible by 3.